Look at him sleeping. What a douche. My plan last time, yesterday, failed to kill him with my car. Still on that adventure to kill him. How? I must think of a new idea. My car didn't work, and all the other things didn't work from the past. What will? It's someone that won't sleep. Like a doofus idiot. Oh, man. I know. I'll summon Satan Devil himself. There's no failing this. There's none. Just gotta summon him. Here, I'm ready. Satan, please come at my command. Oh my God, it worked. What did you summon me for? Well, Mr. Devilman, I would like you to kill him over there. He's my dad, Redbird. Yes, but you must promise me to give me your soul. Yes, Mr. Devilman, I'll give you my soul. Nice. I ain't not giving him my soul. Who's there? What the? Did I scare you? Of course you are, you're devil. What do you want from me? I want to kill you. Oh, no shit, you're probably the devil. That's what the devil does. Now it's time for you to die. Oh, I think it's time for me to go to bed. Wait, what? Yeah, see ya. Well, that was awkward. The king thing has something to do with this. Oh, great. Come on. Really? Yep, you're grounded. This is not fair. So much failed attempts. You're grounded.